Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you fix Windows 11 wireless adapter missing. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, in the search box type a device manager, open device manager. After that, click on view, click on show hidden devices. After doing this step, click on action and scan for hardware changes. Click on it. After it displayed, now here is transfer. The second method is set in the search box, type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator privileges. After doing this step, type a command is ipconfig space /flash DNS. Press enter. After that, type a command is netsh space winsock reset and press enter. After doing this step, type a exit and exit the command prompt. Restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. The third method is that going to your settings of your Windows. After doing this step, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, scroll down and click on a network adapter. Select a Wi-Fi. Close it. The fourth method is that go to your settings of your Windows. After doing this step, go to your network and adapter, network and internet, and after doing this step, go to your now click on network reset. Click on reset now. When you click on reset now, your computer restart after now your Windows will be shut down within 5 minutes. After that, your computer automatically restart and your problem is fixed. If your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box, type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator privileges. After doing this, type a command is netcfg space -t and press enter. After doing this, type a exit and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.